Okay, so here's the thing. You've probably heard of AI coding assistants, but what's Antigravity all about? It's a tool developed by Google Deepmind to help you code smarter, not harder. You'll be amazed at how much time it can save you, trust me. So, Antigravity is like having a super smart coding buddy who's always got your back, you know? It's an AI-powered tool that assists you in writing code, and it's really cool. Think of it like a GPS for your coding journey, guiding you through the toughest parts. You see, as a developer, you're always looking for ways to code faster and more efficiently, right? Antigravity helps you do just that by suggesting the best code snippets and practices. It's like having a personal coding coach, but way more affordable and accessible. Now, let's take a look at a simple example of how Antigravity can help you with your coding projects. Okay? You can use it to import libraries, define functions, and even debug your code. It's really intuitive and easy to use, so don't worry if you're new to coding. So, what are you waiting for? You can start using Antigravity today and take your coding skills to the next level, yeah? Just head over to the Google Deepmind website and check it out. It's pretty straightforward. Don't forget to follow us for more coding tutorials and tips, and happy coding!